In mathematics, number systems are used to represent and work with numbers. There are several number systems that are commonly used in mathematics, each with their own set of rules and properties. Here are some of the most important number systems in mathematics. Natural numbers. The natural numbers are the numbers used to count objects, and they include all positive whole numbers. They are represented by the symbol n and do not include zero or negative numbers. Integers. The integers are the set of all whole numbers, including zero and negative numbers. They are represented by the symbol z. Rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers. They include fractions and terminating decimals. They are represented by the symbol q. Real numbers. Real numbers are numbers that can be represented as a point on the number line. They include all rational and irrational numbers. They are represented by the symbol r. Complex numbers. Complex numbers are numbers that include both real and imaginary parts. They are represented by the symbol c and are used extensively in algebra and calculus. Octonions. Octonions are a type of non-associative algebra that extends the properties of complex numbers to higher dimensions. They are used in some areas of advanced mathematics and theoretical physics. Quaternions. Quaternions are a type of non-commutative algebra that extend the properties of complex numbers to 3 dimensions. They are used in computer graphics, robotics, and other areas of applied mathematics. These are just a few examples of the many different number systems used in mathematics. Each number system has its own unique properties and applications, and they are used in different contexts depending on the needs of the problem being studied.